In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to change your monitor refresh rate on your Lenovo laptop, tablet, or desktop computer. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all you have to do is select the Start menu and then type in Settings. Best result, should go back with Settings. Go ahead and open that up. Select System on the left panel, and then on the right side, select Display. And then scrolling down on this page, underneath related settings, select advanced display, and then select the monitor you want to modify up at the top here. And then scrolling down where it says choose a refresh rate, click the drop down and you can select anything that your monitor supports. And that's pretty much it. Pretty straightforward process on that, guys. And as always, thank you for watching. I do hope that was able to help you out. And I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.